Hey folks, Adam here at the Peak Design headquarters, and today we're going to go through every single Peak Design packing tool to help you dial in the perfect packing tool setup for your needs. So buckle up as we begin our modular organizational journey. We're strangers, you and I, but together we will complete the hero's journey, and together we will learn. Not just about Peak Design's vast ecosystem of pouches and packing cubes, but about ourselves. And that is really darn neat, don't you think? Let's go, buddy! Boom, 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 buddy! Peak Design packing tools are an ecosystem of organizational bags and pouches that just make your life easier, especially when traveling. Some of them are specialists, like our camera cubes. Some of them are generalists, like our packing cubes. All of them are designed to perfectly fit within Peak Design travel and outdoor bags, or any other bag for that matter. It's okay if you use them in other bags. We won't be mad. We promise. We promise we won't be mad. Oh my God, it's okay. You can use them in other bags. Our packing tools are also fair trade certified and guaranteed for life, so if you're about to drop some coin on them, you can feel pretty good about that investment. All right, enough of this lollygagging, this tomfoolery, poppycock, faffing about, petulant buffoonery, balderdash. It's time to dive in. And then I'll go through each one. I'll tell you what it's for, what makes it different, what fits in it, and for similar bags, I'll tell you how to pick the right one for you. So, starting with the specialists, we've got Peak Design camera cubes in large, medium, smedium, small, and extra small. We have the tech pouch and the small tech pouch, and we have the wash pouch and the small wash pouch. And then there's the generalists. Peak Design packing cubes in medium and small, Ultralight packing cubes, which come in 2 fabrics, Terrashell and stretch mesh, and 3 sizes, small, extra small, and extra extra small. We've got the Peak Design shoe pouch, which is for shoes, but really you can put anything in there. We've got the Packable Tote, shown packed and unpacked. And we have the field pouch. Hey, what do you say we take it back to the top, dive into the specialists, starting with the camera cubes. Camera cubes. Camera cubes are designed to organize and protect your photo, video, and drone gear. They come in a range of sizes that fit anything from a small mirrorless kit to a full professional setup. Camera cubes are designed to nest perfectly inside our travel and our outdoor bags, instantly converting them into camera bags. They're the only camera cubes out there with flex fold dividers, which, as you might guess, flex and fold to give you more flexibility and packing efficiency than a standard divider would. Some of our bigger camera cubes have multiple openings, giving you quick camera access from the side of your PD bag. With 5 sizes and infinite permutations of camera gear, we opted to make an entire separate video on picking the right camera cube, which you can find here or in the description below. Camera cubes complete. Up next, tech pouch and small tech pouch. Whether you're traveling, commuting, or just trying to keep a tidy desk at home, our tech pouches tend to quickly become the most frequently used tool in your quiver. Cables, chargers, batteries, SD cards, dongles, AirPods. Once you start keeping them in here, you'll never have to go rifling through your bag or your desk again. These bags have these unique origami-inspired flex pockets that make a super efficient use of internal space. And they keep things organized even when the bag is packed to the brim. They've got a pen or stylus loop. They've got a nice little grab handle to make them easy to pull out of a stuffed bag. The original tech pouch has a 2-liter capacity and a 21 pocket internal layout, while the small tech pouch has a 1-liter capacity and a 12 pocket layout. The original tech pouch also has an exterior pocket and a charging cable pass-through if you want a quick way to charge your device. Honestly, both of these bags are an excellent solution for just about anybody, so it really boils down to your gear and your preference. If you've just got a charging brick, some USB-C cables, and a magic mouse, the small tech pouch will probably do the job. But if you like to carry more than that, camera batteries, a power bank, or those USB stick carabiners that you never use but just can't convince yourself to throw away, the original tech pouch is probably a better fit. Our tech pouches also have 2 attachment loops that you can attach any Peak Design camera strap or a cord hook strap, both sold separately. This turns the pouch into an ultralight sling bag. End tech pouch. Wash pouches. Chances are you already have a toiletry bag or a DOP kit, and chances are it was given to you by your aunt in high school. You're an adult now, and that means you'll be practicing the art of hygiene a lot more. Traditional toiletry bags lack any sort of organization, and when they do, they're typically big and ugly. They're also kind of gross. Dried up toothpaste, shampoo residue, beard clippings. This is not what Aunt Janet intended when she gave you this gift. That's why we made the Peak Design wash pouches. Similar in form to our tech pouches, wash pouches keep your toiletries organized and accessible while also making an efficient use of storage space. Inside they have silicone mesh pockets, zip pockets, and magnetically sealed toothbrush pockets. Everything in them is fast and easy to clean inside and out, so they stay looking fresh. They both have stowable aluminum hooks for hanging, and they both sit upright on a counter, giving you total visibility to your stuff. Again, picking the right size depends on what you carry. If you can get by with a toothbrush, deodorant, and a few little travel bottles, the small wash pouch will do the trick. But if you're throwing bulkier stuff in there, like cans of pomade, an electric toothbrush, or clippers, you're gonna wanna go for the bigger size. Wash pouch is complete. And that brings us to our generalist bags. Starting with the all-time best-selling product on the Peak Design website, our original packing cubes. A wise man once said that traveling with Peak Design packing cubes is like bringing your dresser drawers with you. And I hate to say it, but Lawrence was right. There's no better way to pack clothes than these bad boys right here. Why? They're expandable, they're compressible, they have quick access tearaway lids, they have separate clean and dirty clothes storage, and like our camera cubes, they're designed to fit perfectly into our travel and outdoor bags. They're made from abrasion-resistant VersaHeal, which is our proprietary self-healing nylon. If it gets small pinholes or scrapes, you can actually mend it by rubbing your finger across the fabric. Cool, right? In terms of capacity, the small packing cube has a compressed volume of about 4.5 liters, which means you can fit about 10 adult large-sized t-shirts in there and still manage to zip the compression zip down. The medium packing cube has an 8-liter compressed volume, and that can fit about 20 large t-shirts. Practically speaking, the small is great for socks, underwear, workout clothes, that kind of stuff. The large is great for button-down shirts, shorts, pants, that kind of stuff. If you really want to take your packing game to the next level, get an assortment of sizes and colors. You'll be covered for a wide range of trips, from overnighters to month-long adventures, and when you open your bag, you'll be able to quickly identify what's in each cube. Packing cubes complete. Shoe pouch. If you took our standard packing cubes, cut out the fancy features like expansion, compression, a tearaway opening, and dual packing zones, and made it the perfect size and shape for packing shoes, you get the shoe pouch. This super simple bag is also made from VersaHeal nylon. We made it to carry, you guessed it, shoes. And it easily fits 1 to 2 pairs, maybe 3 if your shoes are extra packable, like this pair of Swabs that I'm wearing. Why get a separate shoe pouch? Simple. Even the cleanest shoes are dirty. They're your only line of defense against dirt trails, city sidewalks, and airplane bathroom floors. Keep them in a shoe pouch and don't have to worry about them being smushed up against your favorite hoodie or your child's stuffed animal. Shoe pouch complete. On to our all-new Ultralight packing cube. Based on our original packing cubes, which are designed for holding clothes, these guys are simpler, lighter, smaller, and designed for carrying all the little gear you might be traveling with. Little travel things, little camping things, little work things. Plus, you can pop on a cord hook carry strap and instantly turn them into an ultralight crossbody sling bag. Whether you're carrying your phone, keys, and wallet, snacks, toys, and wipes, or treats and poop bags, Ultralight packing cubes are the best way to organize and carry small stuff. Ultralight packing cubes come in 3 sizes. Small has 10 liters of capacity, which is just barely larger than our small original packing cube and our shoe pouch. Then there's extra small with 2.5 liters of capacity, and extra extra small with 0.8 liters of capacity. Let's show quick examples of what each of these sizes fits. All right, I've got a small, extra small, and extra extra small packing cube, and for each size, I have an example pack out. And I'm gonna name each pack out as if it were a candle at Bath & Body Works. A mountain biking kit, or Manzanita morning. A hiking with kids kit, or frolicking footsteps. And our campsite mess kit, AKA sizzling sunset.
Hello, hello, hello.
For our smaller kits, I have TerraShell packing cubes. And for this kit, I have a stretch mesh packing cube, since I've got some bulky items that also may need to dry out from time to time. All right, let's get packing. And there you go. We've got small, extra small, and extra, extra small. So dumb. All right, back to business. Another thing that differentiates Ultralight packing cubes from our other packing tools is the materials. They come in TerraShell or stretch mesh. TerraShell is our proprietary Ultralight ripstop nylon. It has a weatherproof coating, fully taped seams, and a weatherproof Ultra Zip. These are our most weatherproof packing tools, and they're great for protecting things from sand, dust, and the elements. The stretch mesh cubes are, well, stretchy. They're also see-through and breathable. Use these cubes for carrying bulky items or things that just need to dry out. Ultralight packing cubes can also mount to the outside of our bags. Each cube has 2 strap pass-throughs on the outside. Use the external carry straps that come with our bags to attach them, creating modular external storage. And finally, Ultralight packing cubes fold flat. When not in use, you can roll them up and wrap them with the zipper pull for storage, a feature we affectionately refer to as doobie mode. Yeah. In conclusion, use our original packing cubes for clothes and use our Ultralight packing cubes for gear. Ultralight packing cubes, complete. On to the Packable Tote. You're probably familiar with Packable Tote, so I'm just gonna focus on the 2 things that make our Packable Totes truly stand out. Number 1, it has a zipper. Not just any zipper, it's a burly number 5 Ultra Zip, which is extremely durable and abrasion resistant. And thanks to that zipper, your groceries won't fall out in the trunk of your car, and sand won't get in when you're at the beach. Extremely convenient. Number 2, the strap. Instead of 2 handles, there's just 1, and it has a nice microfiber pad on it. A single strap makes it way easier to grab and handle, and it's sized at the perfect length for hand carry or shoulder carry. The Packable Tote has 12 liters of capacity when zipped up, which is between our small and medium-sized packing cubes. And the Packable Tote is made from that same VersaHeal fabric that I mentioned before. Common uses for the Packable Tote are for getting groceries, or going to the beach, or just holding some extra stuff while you're walking around town. You can also use it as a packing cube. When I travel with my kid, I bring 3 Packable Totes on the plane. 1 for books, 1 for toys, 1 for snacks. You never know when you could use that extra bag, and that's why you get yourself a bunch of Peak Design Packable Totes. Do you hear that? It's coming from here. That's it. Whoa, pro tip! When not in use, our Packable Totes pack into this handy little snap pouch. When unpacked, that snap pouch is on the inside of the Packable Tote and becomes a perfect place to put a phone. You can then use the snap to close your phone in and keep it from falling out. The Packable Tote. And finally, we have Field Pouch. This is the OG Peak Design packing tool, the one that started them all. The Peak Design Field Pouch is a protective roll-top pouch with a bunch of little pockets inside. It's the only packing tool that comes with a removable strap and built-in belt loops, making it the only packing tool that's truly 3 bags in one: an in-bag organizer, an ultralight sling bag, or a quick access waist bag. It has a unique roll-top design with hook and loop fasteners. Why hook and loop? Because it's super fast, lightweight, and has endless adjustability. Plus, the hook and loop material we use is extra durable and won't fray or fuzz over time. At its smallest, Field Pouch holds 1.5 liters, and at its largest, 3 liters. The exterior is the same fabric as our everyday and travel bags, 100% recycled, weatherproof VersaShell. The interior has a thick felt liner, stretchy mesh pockets, and even a zip pocket for stuff you want to keep secure or hidden. The felt liner provides some padding and protection, and many customers like to use this bag for carrying more delicate stuff, like a small camera, an extra lens, or some rolls of film. And it's the only packing tool that you can attach capture to, making it great for toting around a small mirrorless kit. Compared to our other packing tools, the Field Pouch occupies a really nice middle ground. It works great as a sling or as an in-bag organizer. It has some organization, but not as much as our Tech Pouch. And it has some protection, but not as much as our camera cubes. Field Pouch, mother of packing tools, organizer of doodads, first of her name. Complete. Whoa, hey, you're still watching. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess that can only mean one thing. You're one of us. That's right. Whether you knew it or not, you are a carry nerd. You like your stuff organized, accessible, protected. You don't just pack for trips, you have a system. We see you, we understand you, we salute you. We spent years meticulously designing these packing tools for you. We hope this video was helpful, and if you got any other questions, just hit us up. Happy packing, my friend.